Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely most auspicious, prestigious conch in the world. Just perfectly having only one lane. See, just it is perfectly having one lane. It is for Lord Shiva. It is for Lord Shiva. It is just only one piece in the world. It's a real Lord Shiva conch. Extremely rarest, miraculous collection. This conch is very powerful than the Dakshinavati conch. So you can see clearly one line. Extremely very rarest, auspicious spiritual collection of conch in the world. You can feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva. Extreme energy of Lord Shiva. Totally unbelievable collection of conch from Indian Ocean. Om